There is much danger in our world. We have long known the risks. But why have so many suffered? Why are so many still suffering? It is because there are those who care more for the value of their bank accounts than the value of a life. They are the real threats to humanity.
This year,
I'm Dale, and I have taken an oath to serve and protect as the first Knight of Safety.
one man will use machine learning.
I have built an artificial intelligence that will detect danger, target breaches of compliance, and identify risk to life.
To take safety to a whole new level and assemble a brotherhood.
I have brought together the Knights of Safety to join me in my quest.
Of real heroes.
But a small team is not enough.
To be the marvel of the safety industry.
I need more knights. I need more heroes.
Dale needs you to find the hero inside.
You can be the Knight of Safety. You can help save our world.
To prepare for the villains outside.
Everyone can help fight danger, and everyone should be safe.
In the epic battle for survival. The rise of the Knights.